to all employers in Hong Kong. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Natividad Tan. I am 37 years old, married, and have 2 kids, ages 20 and 13 years old. I graduated from high school and have over 6 years of experience as a nanny and as a helper here in the Philippines. My working experience was with Mrs. Marilu Abayata, where I took care of her 2 kids, ages 3 and 4 years old, 1 boy and 1 girl. Then my duty and responsibility to them is to taking care of her 2 kids, including preparing them a healthy and nutritious meals, sending and picking them up the 2 kids to their school, assisting them to their school activities. I also play with them and sometimes telling them a bedtime story. Aside from being a nanny to them, I also do household chores like cooking, laundry, ironing, and cleaning their house. I make sure that everything is tidy and clean. I am applying to work in Hong Kong because I seek a safe and supportive environment to provide for my family needs, particularly for my children's education. I am eager to work diligently and learn new skills to deliver a quality service to your family. So to all employers in Hong Kong, I would be honored to be considered as your helper. Thank you for your time, and I'm looking forward for the opportunity to serve you. See you soon!